Enchanté.
Hi guys, I am Deepak and today in this video I will be unboxing and giving my quick review on the Irusu Play Vr Plus, which is priced at 2600 for the variant which includes the remote and 2300 for the normal VR variant. So let's unbox it. Here is the box of the VR. On the bottom we can see some of the features of the VR listed like 3D videos, 360 videos, touch button, etc. To the bottom we have some other features and some other specifications. At the back of the box we have some physical features. You can pause the video to read them. So let's open this one up too. Removing the plastic wrapping. First we are met with the awesome looking VR. Then we have a user manual, cleaning cloth, plastic remote which seems to be made up of decent quality, then we have a calibrating card. Let's get to the overview. On the front we see the Irusu branding along with the model name. And this cap is removable, which allows the heat to dissipate easily while the phone is in it. On the top we have the clip-on mechanism using which you can easily insert your phone inside the VR. You can also see the headphone jack inside the compartment. Stick it to your phone and you are done. Enjoy your VR experience. Back to the inside, here we have a nice layer of foam that protects the back of the phone from getting any scratches and hold the phone in position. A little far from it, we have the magnets that hold the outer compartment. On the back side, we can see the headphones which actually sound pretty awesome. These are actually made up of plastic and the reason behind it is because plastic is lighter in weight. And due to this, the whole VR weighs just 415 grams. The headphones are adjustable. The strap is made up of nice material which makes it comfortable to wear for longer duration. At the top we have 3 dials. Using the edge dials we can control the focal length of the lens. And using the center dial we can control the interpupillar distance. The lens used in it is a 42mm anti-fog lens which makes up for a nice visual experience. On the bottom we have 3 control buttons which can be used to pause the video, increase and decrease the volume, and to the other side we have the touch button which can be used to select things while the phone is inside the VR. So I have used this VR for more than a week and I have to say it is worth the money spent. I mean, from the audio quality to the visual quality, everything seems to be perfect. The link of the VR is in the description below. Thanks for watching the video. Hit the like button if you liked it and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.